Opening Zomato food delivery app in Android mobile. App keeps loading. Something went wrong. Please try again later. Something went wrong. Error occurs. Solution: go to settings, set correct date and time. You can select automatic date and time. Now try loading the. Now try again. Now error fixed. Subscribe.